2004 Isuzu Ascender with the 4.2 inline 6, and today we're going to be doing an oil change. Over at our computer you can see it requires 7 quarts of 5W30 with filter, and this is conventional oil, by the way. And for this oil change we're going to be using the CarQuest Romeo 85522 oil filter. Alright, underneath the vehicle you can see our drain plug located right here. It looks like there's supposed to be some kind of a covering here, but our vehicle doesn't have that. And if you look right over there, there's our oil filter. I'm going to start by removing our oil drain plug. It is a 13 millimeter. While we're waiting for that to finish draining out, go ahead and check your drain plug gasket, located right here underneath of the drain plug. Now, if you're questioning its integrity at all, go ahead and replace the whole thing. These do not come separate, and you have to replace your entire drain plug. And with that finished draining, go ahead and put our drain plug back up. And give it a good hit. That's it. Don't go crazy with it. Don't break your threads. Move this out of the way a little bit and see if we can't break this oil filter loose. Nope, we're gonna have to use a tool. Sorry about going off camera. There's no way I was going to be able to do that and hold the tripod at the same time. Broke it loose. Now once you get it nice and loose, give it a good spin and let that oil drain out. Check your old oil filter. Make sure that the oil filter gasket, this O-ring right here, came off with it, so that when you install your new filter you don't get a double gasket and end up dumping your oil all over the place. Check the housing, look for any debris, anything that might jeopardize the seal of the new oil filter. And get yourself some of that used motor oil. Lube up your new O-ring and install. I'm going to put this down hand tight. That's it. Don't put any tools on there. It does not need to be on that high. And with everything buttoned up underneath, get yourself a can of brake clean. Spray off your oil filter area and your drain plug. Get all that old motor oil out of here. So that way, if you're working on this vehicle in the future and you see oil around this area, you know that you have a possible oil leak and not that you just left a mess last time you did your oil change. And up top side, we got our oil cap right here. That's oddly tight. And go ahead and add your 7 quarts. Which I don't think I'm going to be able to bend this far enough, so I'm going to get a funnel. and put that oil cap back nice and tight. 2004 Isuzu Ascender with the 4.2 inline 6, and we've just performed an oil change. Now we're going to reset your oil life. To do this, go ahead and turn the key to the on position and press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. 1, 2, 3. And on the third time, you're going to hold the accelerator to the pedal, hold the accelerator pedal to the floor, and you'll see our maintenance light is flashing. Wait for it to go off and release the pedal. Go ahead and cycle your key off and then back on. And you can see that our maintenance light now is off. This video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.